Fernando Kabalen. Welcome to Ren, Pampanga. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa New York Supreme Telabastagan. We're gonna try this today. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video.
Yes.
And thank you so much New York Supreme Telabastagan for inviting us.
Actually, when it comes sa mga pizza, ang pag-uusapan ay talagang ito yung isa sa mga pagpipilian nyo.
One of the kumbaga, pizza house that you would consider if you're craving for pizza. So what do we have on our table?
So on our tables, in my surprise, meron na rin pala silang rice meal dito. So hindi lang sila pizza, so they also serve mga rice meal like itong two-piece fried chicken nila. So meron din sila yung kanilang grilled fish fillet.
For this one, we ordered...
Yan yung kanilang New York Supreme Italian vinaigrette salad.
Mamma mia!
Yes! So for our pasta naman, ito yung kanilang... Seafood pasta. For our appetizer, yung kanilang fish and chips.
Of course, di pa huli yung mga pizza natin. So we have two kinds of pizzas as of now.
Yes, so ito yung kanilang all-meat pizza. And syempre sa mga vegetarians naman, meron tayong garden pizza on the other hand.
Yeah, this one naman is a roll pizza.
Yes.
Now, for our dessert, later on, titikman natin yung zipolis with chocolate. So, later on, titikman natin yan, okay?
Isa din sa mga pinagpipilian ko when it comes sa pizza. Ito yung New York Supreme. Kagandahan dito, yung mga pizza nila dito are hand-tossed. Alam naman natin when it comes sa mga quality naman nila.
Correct.
Talagang hindi ka mapapahiya.
Correct. Yung mga pizza nila is made from real premium, choice-picked ingredients na talaga namang sabi mo nga hindi mapapaya kapag ditong pinakain yung kliyente mo.
Ako naman, tikman ko itong kanilang isa sa mga rice meal nila. Ito hindi naman ito mapagkakaila. And talagang sulit na rin ito kasi for only 215 pesos, meron ka ng two-piece chicken, meron ka ng gravy, one rice, and syempre side dish na corn. Sarap.
So ako, nag-enjoy ako ngayon guys dito sa kanilang salad. And then let's roll it like this. Roll it. Ay, grabe.
Yes. To add some spice.
Yan. So actually, pagkatapos mo pala siyang marol, sobrang bigat na yung pinaka final product natin. Napakabigat pa rin niya. Okay. So you can actually choose this one. Or additional, yan, yung oil natin.
Yes.
Like this. Okay. Dip naman natin siya dito. Oh, whoa, bro. Let's put it here. Yan. Cheers. Now the dough, actually not too crispy, not too parang soft. No, meron pa rin siyang texture when you crunch it, pero hindi siya yung parang dry na super crispy. And take note, so since malapit na yung mahal na araw, so yung naghahanap ng mga non-meat pizza, gusto niyo pa rin ma-enjoy yung mga flavors, try this one. This is actually non-meat.
Yes.
Delivery na yan. There we go. It's dripping. Cheers.
Yes, speaking of non-meat naman, talagang another option for Holy Week, yung kanilang New York Supreme grilled fish fillet. Yan.
Para sa akin, lastly, I wanna try this one. Ito yung kanilang seafood pesto pasta. Alright, so for our last, it's gonna be our dessert. So ito yung tinatawag nilang zipolis with chocolate.
Yes.
Fernando.
Yan. York Supreme is located dito sa may Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, tapat lang siya ng SM City Telabastagan. And they're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. So if you're looking for an alternative to your regular pizza, this at the same time cozy place, perfect for family, perfect for date, guys, you gotta check out New York Supreme Telabastagan. Actually, meron pa silang mga ibang branches, no? So meron tayo sa SM City Clark, so sa may Nepo, Angeles City. Right, so if you like the food you saw in this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.